Have you ever wondered who is leading the race to explore the moon today? On May 3rd this year, the China National Space Administration launched an impressive lunar exploration program with the Chang'e 6 probe. This mission was a triumph, with Chang'e 6 successfully landing in the South Pole region on the far side of the moon. Over 24 days in lunar orbit and 2 days on the moon's surface, it gathered vital data and completed an in-depth survey of the lunar landscape before returning to Earth on June 25th with 1,935 grams of precious lunar soil. The plan for these lunar samples is to share them with 18 countries and organizations worldwide, including India, Russia, Pakistan, and some European countries. Notably absent from the list is the United States. NASA's director expressed hope that China might share these lunar samples freely, arguing that the moon's resources should benefit all of humanity. This situation raises questions. Will China share these samples with the US? What other incredible achievements has China made in lunar exploration? Let's dive into the story of China's journey to the moon. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, is about 384,000 kilometers from Earth. Its proximity makes it an ideal target for exploration. Studying the moon helps us understand Earth's formation and potential resources. In 1969, the US made history with the Apollo 11 mission, landing humans on the moon and bringing back lunar soil samples. These samples revealed that the moon's rocks contain elements found in Earth's crust and around 60 types of minerals, including helium-3, a potential future nuclear energy source. Despite some controversy over the authenticity of the Apollo missions, they undeniably sparked extensive lunar exploration. Fast forward to today, many countries, including China, are racing to advance their lunar programs. China's journey began in 2007 with the launch of the Chang'e 1 satellite. This mission achieved its goal of global high-definition imaging of the moon, providing valuable data about the moon's surface and material distribution. The successful completion of Chang'e 1 marked the beginning of China's ambitious lunar exploration endeavors. In 2018, China made history with the Chang'e 4 mission, achieving the first-ever soft landing on the far side of the moon. This mission was a significant milestone. As landing on the moon's far side presents unique challenges, Chang'e 4's success showcased China's growing capabilities in space technology and exploration. China's ambitions didn't stop there. In 2020, the Chang'e 5 mission successfully brought back 1,731 grams of lunar soil from the moon's front side. This mission not only demonstrated China's advanced technology, but also laid a solid foundation for future manned lunar missions and deeper space exploration. The Chang'e 5 mission's success was a testament to China's commitment to becoming a major player in space exploration. In August 2023, India joined the elite group of countries with successful moon landings with its Chandrayaan-3 mission. This achievement made India the fourth country to achieve a soft landing on the moon after the United States, Russia, and China. India's success surprised many, given its perceived technological limitations. However, China's lunar exploration program has achieved far more scientific results and technological breakthroughs. This year, Chang'e 6 took the spotlight. After landing in the moon's South Pole region, it conducted detailed explorations, including detecting charged particles excited by sunlight and collecting soil samples. The probe returned to Earth with 1,935 grams of lunar soil, sparking global attention. China's rapid progress in lunar exploration even surpasses that of the United States, leading to NASA's plea for sample sharing. Historically, the US has been a leader in space technology, with the Apollo missions bringing back 382 kilograms of lunar soil. These samples remain national treasures, closely guarded in NASA's labs. In the past, a symbolic gift of 1 gram of lunar soil was shared with China as a gesture of friendship. However, international competition and restrictions, such as NASA's Wolf Clause, have strained cooperation between the US and China. China's achievements, including building its own space station and completing complex lunar missions, have prompted NASA to reconsider its stance. Despite NASA's recent request for lunar soil samples, China's space program has not prioritized the US as a partner. Let's delve deeper into China's lunar exploration journey. The Chang'e program, named after the Chinese moon goddess, began with the Chang'e 1 mission in 2007. This mission was primarily focused on mapping the Moon's surface and analyzing its composition. The data collected provided valuable insights into the Moon's geology and helped scientists better understand its history and evolution. Following Chang'e 1, China launched Chang'e 2 in 2010. This mission aimed to improve upon the technology used in Chang'e 1 and conduct a more detailed survey of the Moon. Chang'e 2 successfully mapped the entire lunar surface with high-resolution images, providing even more detailed information about the Moon's topography and potential resources. In 2013, China achieved another significant milestone with the Chang'e 3 mission. This mission included a lander and a rover named Yutu, or Jade Rabbit. Chang'e 3 successfully landed on the Moon's surface and deployed the Yutu rover, which conducted various scientific experiments and sent back valuable data. This mission demonstrated China's ability to conduct more complex operations on the lunar surface. The success of Chang'e 3 set the stage for the groundbreaking Chang'e 4 mission in 2018. As the first mission to land on the far side of the Moon, Chang'e 4 faced numerous challenges, including establishing reliable communication with Earth. To overcome this, China launched a relay satellite named Queqiao, or Magpie Bridge, which facilitated communication between the far side of the Moon and Earth. The mission's success was a remarkable achievement and solidified China's position as a leading player in space exploration. In 2020, the Chang'e 5 mission marked another major milestone for China. This mission was designed to collect lunar soil samples and bring them back to Earth. Chang'e 5 landed on the Moon's surface, collected samples, and returned safely to Earth, carrying 1,731 grams of lunar soil. This mission demonstrated China's capability to conduct complex lunar missions and return valuable samples for scientific research. China's achievements in lunar exploration have not gone unnoticed. The successful Chang'e missions have garnered international attention and recognition. China's ability to land on the far side of the Moon, collect samples, and return them to Earth has placed it at the forefront of lunar exploration. As China's lunar program continues to advance, it has set its sights on even more ambitious goals. The upcoming Chang'e 7 mission, scheduled for 2026, aims to survey the Moon's south pole for water, ice, and other resources. This mission will include international collaboration with advanced equipment from countries such as Bahrain, Egypt, Italy, and Russia. The success of Chang'e 7 could further enhance China's reputation as a leader in space exploration and potentially provide valuable resources for future missions. The international community has taken note of China's achievements, with many countries expressing interest in collaborating on future lunar missions. The China National Space Administration has received 18 letters of intent for cooperation from 11 countries and international organizations. This growing interest in collaboration highlights China's significant advancements in space technology and its potential to contribute to global space exploration efforts. China's space program has come a long way since its early beginnings. The Chang'e missions have demonstrated China's capability to conduct complex lunar missions, collect valuable data, and return samples to Earth. These achievements have positioned China as a major player in space exploration, prompting other countries to take notice and seek collaboration opportunities. Looking ahead, China has ambitious plans for future lunar exploration. The Chang'e 7 mission will play a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the Moon's resources and environment. By surveying the South Pole for water and ice, China hopes to identify potential resources that could support future manned missions and long-term lunar exploration. The relationship between China and the United States in space exploration is complex. While both countries have made significant contributions to space science and technology, their approaches and priorities differ. The United States has a long history of space exploration, with iconic missions such as the Apollo program and the Mars rovers. China, on the other hand, is rapidly catching up and making its mark with impressive achievements in lunar exploration and space technology. The potential for collaboration between China and the United States in space exploration remains uncertain. While there are opportunities for cooperation in scientific research and technology development, geopolitical factors and policy differences pose significant challenges. The Wolf Clause and other legislative obstacles have hindered collaboration between the two countries. making it difficult to establish a formal partnership in space exploration. In conclusion, China's achievements in lunar exploration, particularly with the Chang'e missions, have positioned it as a leading player in space exploration. The successful missions to the far side of the Moon, the collection of lunar soil samples, and the ambitious plans for future missions highlight China's commitment to advancing our understanding of the Moon and beyond. As China continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, it will be interesting to see how its achievements shape the future of global space exploration and potential collaboration with other countries.